What's up, Namblers? You're gonna love this recipe. Every time I bring a batch of homemade cheese crisps over to a party, they're the first to go. I just can't seem to make enough. Cheddar, Monterey or Colby Jack, and Parmesan are the three types of cheese that I recommend. And I've experimented with lots of cheeses. This stuff is great on its own, with my truffled mousse pate, keto bacon guacamole, or even tomato soup. You want to avoid processed or soft cheese. Shredded works fine, but I prefer sliced since they have less anti-caking agents, are consistent, and more efficient to handle. We'll need to cut a disc out of parchment paper like so. Be sure to give the CRISPS some breathing room. You can try experimenting with different toppings, like dried basil, homemade chili flakes, bacon, or other herbs. Microwave until fully browned, about 60 to 90 seconds. Not brown enough and they won't stay crispy. Too brown and they're burnt. So be sure to keep an eye on them. Oh yeah, that's a nice piece right there with all that bacon. I usually have two parchment discs alternating so that the microwave is always working. What types of cheese do you like? Comment down below and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.